Hello everyone and welcome back to OPCloud. In today's session, we're going to talk about a new feature related to model information in OPCloud, and this feature will do the identification of missing knowledge. Meaning it will help us identify things that are missing in our model like links, objects, and other relations. How are we going to use it? First we need to go to the setting page. We can go either by clicking the main menu and going to OPCloud settings, or we can click on the gears icon near the name. Inside the setting page, we have the Analyze Model section. Within it, we have the model knowledge. Please note that model knowledge is a premium feature that needs specific credentials to access. Clicking on the model knowledge will open us two options, the identification of missing knowledge and model informatic grading. We shall select the identification of missing knowledge. This will open us the page for identification of missing knowledge while using machine learning. Our algorithm is using two types of processes. One is the pistol reasoning. The pistol is a quick online algorithm that is doing all the processes in your browser. Thus, giving you fast results, but also may have some issues related to perfect links to suggestion and other related knowledge transfer. It is good for initial selecting and initial processing and filtering. The other option is the RGCN reasoning, which will use a Python script behind the scene, which currently is disabled, but later on it will be enabled. This will go behind the scenes and will give you as much better results. In order for us to run the reasoning, we click on the pistol reasoning button. You can see that the process is working, and a few seconds later we'll get our suggestion. Our suggestions are filtered by the confidence level. We have the confidence threshold, and can filter down or up according to our needs. The default settings are to be 0.5, meaning 50% confidence. Of course, as the confidence gets higher, it means that the algorithm thinks that it is really missing from our model. You can see that the table is composed of database, relation and target, meaning the source relation target and the confidence level. We can set the threshold according to our needs by sliding the slide bar up and down or using the arrows in the text box showing our percentage. We can see that for 0.5, we have only 4 suggestions. If we're going to 0.5, we have only 1 suggestion, and so on. If we want to see our full result, we may be able to download the suggestion as an Excel file. If we click on the Download Suggestion Excel, download it, and we'll be able to see our result as an Excel file. You can see that you see the same thing and with the confidence level all the way down as we defined according to our filter. The second tab in the Excel will show us what we filtered for and how many suggestions we have. This is it. You may also able to copy the current suggestion as a text into your own text editor and work like that. Thank you again and see you next time in OPCloud.